module operations. Now that we have already completed the setup of the leave tracker module, let's see how an admin, a team member and a manager can make use of the leave module. Let's start with an admin view. So you need to navigate to Operations, Leave Tracker. So the first option that we see here is called User Specific Operation. So you can search for a particular employee name here, and when you click on the employee name, you will be able to see leave information about that particular employee, like starting from their leave applications, compensatory requests they have submitted, leave grant requests if they have submitted, leave balance of an employee. So the complete leave history of this particular employee will be listed in this tab. Apart from user-specific operations, you also see another tab called Leave Request. This tab will specifically list the leave application submitted by all employees in your organization. You can also approve those leave requests on behalf of the concerned approver. In the same way, you have the compensatory of tab where all the compensatory requests will be listed, and then you have the holiday section. So as an admin, you can view all the holidays created, and you also have an option to create new holidays. And then comes leave grant. So all the leave grant requests submitted by your employees will be listed here. You can also approve those requests on behalf of the approver. And when you click on more, we have customized balance. So you can manually modify the data of your employees over here. And then you have customized policy. Like we have already discussed, if you'd like to change the leave policy of one particular employee, you will be able to do it from this option. And exceptional working day. So exceptional working day can be created here. So these are all the different operations that you can do as an admin. And this operation section will be visible only to the administrator and not to other users. Now let's see as an employee what options they will have with respect to the leave tracker module. So navigate to the leave tracker option available in the left panel. So they will have these three tabs: My Data, Team, and then Holidays. So under My Data, they will be able to see information about their own leave balances, and this is a space where they can submit a leave request, a compensatory of request, leave grant request, and they also have an option to view which shift they are mapped to. So this is about My Data. So under Teams, they will have an option to view their reportees information. So this tab is going to be visible to an employee only if they have people reporting to them. So we have the reportee section where they'll be able to view all their subordinates, and on leave section is where they'll be able to view the list of people who are on leave from their team. And then the leave request section, compensatory request, leave grant. So as a manager, you will have an option to view all of your reportees information under the tab called Team. And then you have holidays. So all the public holidays that you are applicable will be listed under the holiday section. So the view that you see here is subjective. Like in case if compensatory off is disabled from the admin view or by the administrator, comp off tab will not be listed here. In the same way, if there are no leave policies created for leave grant, the leave grant section will not be available here. So based on the options configured by the administrator, the view will be customized for an employee. So this is about the leave module operations in Zoho People.